How to add the echo effect in the audio Capcut. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So in some cases in the Capcut there is no option available of the echo effect, so you have to make sure that your Capcut is updated. For that you have to go into your app store or the play store that you are using and simply search for the Capcut application. Now once you are in here, you just have to click on it and make sure that it is update, and after that you just have to update it. Now you just have to open it and you have to open any of the video in which you want to add the echo effect. Now here what you have to do is simply add the sound. You can add from the sounds, sound effects, extract, and you can also do the voiceover. Now once you add the sound, you just have to click on it and here you have to go in the audio effects. Now as you can see that here is the option of the echo. You just have to select the option and here you can also adjust it quantity or the strength of the echo effect, and after that you just have to click on the tick and you are able to add the echo effect in the audio Capcut. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.